Today we're talking about the 24mm 1.8 prime for the Nikon Z series. A wide-angle prime has always been in my wedding kit and my travel kit, both for different reasons. For weddings, I love the look of a wide-angle image with a really shallow depth of field. Aesthetically, it is one of my favorite looks. At a wedding, it's also important to have a wide-angle prime for when you find yourself in a darker than usual ceremony location, or you have to do group shots with more people than expected. In travel photography, a wide-angle prime is equally valuable, and this 24mm prime for the Z series is the best one that Nikon has ever made. Technically, it's perfect edge to edge, and my favorite feature is that it's perfectly sharp when shot wide open at 1.8, which is where I use it almost exclusively. This lens is an absolute must for me after dark, so let's go take some photos. We've parked the Defender perpendicular to where the northern lights are actually starting to happen. It's kind of dim right now, and basically what I'm doing is I'm running a 10-second exposure and I'm light painting on the Defender. So basically what that means is that I have my own light that's kind of a little bit blue, which actually kind of matches with what's going on in the scene. There's a fire behind me, and if you were to use the fire as the main light, it would be a very orange scene, or if you're using the lights from inside the house, again, super orange light. I'm just doing this, 10-second exposure, wave some light at the car, let it go off, and there you go. Northern lights with a Defender, light painted. You can also do light painting and actually make it part of the scene, which means just kind of moving around very quickly. You can write names, you can draw pictures, you can do whatever. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do some little swirls, kind of backlight the car, make it a little bit more three-dimensional. And there's a pretty good chance that it will be a bright white color, as well as maybe red, because this thing kind of glows red. So I'm gonna try to get kind of a little red blur in there too, because I think that looks pretty cool. All right, here we go. 10 seconds. Introducing the human element, Michael and Donna. It's a very provocative pose. Basically what I'm gonna do is the same thing I just did. I'm gonna light them kind of softly and create something nice. You have to stand still for 10 seconds, starting now. That looks really good. This NIKKOR Z 24 1.8 S is a lens that I'm always going to have in my bag, regardless of if I'm photographing travel or events. It's also a great street lens and general walk-around lens. The build quality is really fantastic, and I'm really just impressed with everything for the Z series right now. That said, it's also small and lightweight enough to easily come with you anywhere. Another huge feature for me as a video creator is that the autofocus in this lens is silent, which means you won't pick up any focusing noise while recording videos. I really do like everything they've done with the Z series, and I'm excited to get more into it over the next episodes of the show. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on for notifications when new episodes go up.